Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Eufy security camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Check power supply. Battery status. Ensure the camera's battery is adequately charged. Low battery levels can cause the camera to go offline. Eufy cameras are known for their impressive battery life with most models running for about a year on a single charge. However, the Eufy Cam 2C and Eufy Cam 2C Pro typically last 180 days on one charge. Power source. For wired cameras, verify that the power adapter is securely connected and functioning properly. Fix 2. Assess network connection. Signal strength. Position the camera within a strong Wi Fi signal range. Obstacles like walls or electronic devices can weaken the signal. If necessary, consider relocating the camera or using Wi Fi extenders to enhance connectivity. Router settings. Ensure your Wi Fi operates on the 2.4 GHz band as UFI cameras are typically compatible with this frequency. Additionally, check for any router firewall settings that might block the camera's connection. Fix 3. Update firmware and app. Updating the UFI security app for iOS devices. Open the App Store, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, scroll down to see pending updates. If UFI security appears, tap Update. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store, tap the three horizontal lines menu at the top left corner, select My Apps and Games. If UFI security is listed under Updates, tap Update. Updating the camera firmware via the Eufy Security app. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the internet. Launch the Eufy Security app. Tap on the Devices tab to view your connected devices. Select the camera you wish to update. Tap the settings gear icon next to the camera's name. Scroll down and select General. Tap on Device Info. Here you will see the current firmware version. Tap Check for firmware update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to download and install it. Fix 4. Restart devices. Camera. Power cycle the camera by turning it off, waiting for a few seconds, and then turning it back on. This can help clear temporary glitches. Router. Restart your Wi Fi router to refresh the network connection, which may resolve connectivity issues. Fix 5. Check for interference. Electronic devices. Keep the camera and router away from other electronic devices that might cause interference, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Fix 6. Reset the camera. Locate the sync button. The sync button, which also functions as the reset button, is typically found on the back or top of the camera. For indoor models, it's often at the back, while for outdoor models like the Eufy Cam series, it may be on the top side. Perform the reset. Indoor cameras. Press and hold the sync button for 10 seconds until you hear two beeps. This indicates the camera has been reset to its factory settings. Outdoor cameras. Eufy Cam series. Press and hold the sync button for 10 seconds until you hear two beeps. The sync button is usually located on the top side of the camera. Reconfigure the camera. After resetting, you will need to set up the camera again using the Eufy Security app. Open the app and sign in to your account. Tap the plus icon to add a new device. Follow the in app instructions to reconnect the camera to your Wi Fi network and reconfigure your settings. Fix 7. Contact support. If the problem persists after troubleshooting, reach out to Eufy customer support for further assistance. They can provide personalized guidance to address the offline issues. You will get the link in the description box. When you click on the link, a web page will be appeared on your screen like this. When you scroll down, you will find the options to contact support. You can mail, call, and also can use the live chat. To use the live chat option, you have to click on the icon in the bottom right corner. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment, and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.